Hi everybody and welcome to Dan's DIY. Today I'm changing the main beam bulb on the Citroen Berlingo 2020. This also includes Peugeot Partner, Vauxhall Combo and Toyota Proace City. So first I'm going to pop the bonnet, do this popping lever down here. There's a catch underneath here, a little bit fiddly. Put your fingers under, lift and pull up. Using the arm here, we'll then fix the bonnet in an upright position. Next we'll need to remove the dust cap from behind the headlights. There's one here, that's the same as the headlight dust cap, which is located here. So as you can see that behind the downpipe from the windscreen filler. In order to remove the dust cap and the light bulb from the lamp, we will need to remove the windscreen wiper filler. This is done by unclipping the front end, using brute force, and now pulling the arm out. As you can see, it pulls straight out. Now we can remove the dust cap from the back of the lamp. Dust cap removed. Now that the dust cap has been removed, you can see into the back of the lamp. On previous models, there would have been a silver clip that you squeeze together and pull to one side in order to remove the light bulb. On this model, all you simply do is pull the black clip to one side and the bulb will flick out with it. Here you can see the bulb still in the black clip. Now you need to remove the bulb from the black clip, like so, and replace it with the new bulb. Now that you've replaced the old bulb with the new one, you can pop it back into the headlight, put the dust cap back on, test that it's working, and away you go. Don't forget to replace the windscreen wiper filler. Windscreen wiper filler in. Headlight working, check. Well, I hope this has helped people out there. If you've liked my video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.